my channel. My name is Anindita if you are new here, and hi, welcome back if you are not. As you can see from the title of my video, I'm going to give my PG room a makeover. So the energy is in here is not that great. It's very messy. From the side of the mirror, tripod, and see what I saw. My desk was never this messy. Try to put my desk in here, but there is so less space left. Usually I try to clean up my desk, but you can see what's going on here, and I put my pegboard also. उसको decorate करने का try किया, but नहीं हुआ, so we will going to decorate it together. I bought this card from Flipkart, and I was thinking of putting my skincare and makeup products in here. This is all my conscious chemist products. All done. I will show you what my room look like. Is not yet done because the materials are not yet delivered.